100% Amazon FBA. I don't think that's a good idea anymore. Primarily because it's too risky. People who acquire companies, they want to know that you've got a product to market fit. Great. Your product has got a group of people who it sells to. Awesome. Okay. Product to market fit. Check. After that, though, they want to know that you can find more of those customers outside of that singular sales channel, like Amazon, for instance. So I think that you have to be diversifying. Shopify, Etsy, eBay, Walmart, for instance, that sort of stuff. You've got to diversify your brand. That's why I included it in the new AOE training. Has to be there. And I think as well, certainly with Amazon aggregators or people that buy businesses for a living, they are inherently lazy. They're not looking to grow and scale that business to new sales channels themselves. What they're looking for is to optimize what's already there and then get a quick exit. Okay, so if you think about that from their point of view, then it makes it a much better proposition to actually get yourself onto a channel like Shopify, do the work for them, and they'll pay you for doing that work in terms of a higher multiple. Okay, I don't think you should be 100% Amazon FBA. I think that's not the right strategy. You should diversify sales channels. Used to be the case that a singular product would command a singular home run product where it could make anything up to, $1 million, $2 million, $5 million a year from one single product. A home run product would command a massive amount of money. That's not the case anymore. Far, far better to have your product suite, your product offering be diversified, whether that is from thinking about the buyer's cycle of a particular customer. So think about a new parent, for instance, what's just had a child. Well, at the beginning of that particular child's life, they've got certain needs. As they grow and develop, their needs change, their products that they require changed. And so if you've got products that fit all along that buyer cycle, that journey of the child's development, that's awesome to have that. That's a much more stable business. And that spread of profits, of course, that's something that people are looking for. Better to have. Somebody posted in the AOE group that one of their products, for instance, was making sales, but not enough sales. And quite a few of you jumped onto that and said, time to get some new products. And you're absolutely right. Better to get more products, more SKUs, come back here, more SKUs than just have the one singular one, okay? That's a much better way of approaching a business like this. And what you'll find is, if you want to make more money, add more products. That's pretty accurate as a strategy for developing Amazon or e-commerce businesses. Add products, okay? Next, intellectual property. I'm rereading a book by, I can't remember the lady's name who wrote it, but it's called The Snowball. And basically it's all about Warren Buffett and Buffett's life and Buffett's philosophy with regards to business and things like that. Fantastic book. Anyway, so one of the things that Buffett talks about a lot when it comes to actually investing businesses is something that he calls a moat, having a moat around the business to stop competitors coming into it, okay? Really important thing. Lots and lots of different kinds of moats, but a very, very simple one to create is simply protecting your intellectual property that you have within the business, okay? So the more you do that, the more valuable your business becomes. Man, we talk about the Chinese a lot. Maybe it's unfair for us to do that, but certainly they have got advantages that we just do not have. So you have to be smart when it comes to protecting your business from Chinese copycats or from any copycats. A simple way of doing that, as I've mentioned already, is a trademark or a patent. You can patent your product in China. It will give you protection against other people in China selling or creating your product, not selling it, certainly creating your product. Okay. Branding. Man, oh man, oh man. I saw over the weekend, well, I've shown you some things tonight, with products that really didn't ought to be able to get into a market. These are quote unquote saturated marketplaces. Kitty litter. Holy shit, things like that. Blenders. When you think about all the big blender companies out there, but you can break into these markets and carve out a great niche for yourself. And it's all down to branding. Where does your product fit in that particular marketplace? Where is the underexploited opportunities within that marketplace? Who is the customers that are not being taken care of in that marketplace that you can do a better job of taking care of? That's what branding really is. It's how your customers think about your business, your products. That's what brand is all about. That's things like having an email list. Having an email list now of your customers is hugely important. We've just seen that Google can take away your entire business just like that, just by some nebulous terms of service violation that you'll never ever get to know about what exactly you did. It's just you just did something wrong, and now all that element of your business is gone. But if you've got a diversified way of contacting your customers and new customers, email list, social profiles, things like that, that is gold. And that is why people who are acquiring businesses, they look for that. They want to know that you're doing and that's taken care of, and there's active things in place for your buyers, your customers to be contacted on an ongoing basis. So it's risk assessment. Yeah. Last one, consistent growth. One of the reasons that I look at the last 12 months of revenue when I'm analyzing businesses is because you want to see what's going on with the business. Where's the business at? Is the business going up or is the business going down? Clearly, if the business is on the up, you want to ride that wave up. That's an ongoing thing. You will need to understand what's happening, of course, but that's a much better proposition for somebody acquiring your business than a business that's on the way down. Okay, so if your business has the last 6 months of revenue, for instance, haven't been going up, I wouldn't even think about listing your business. I'd think of some other way of getting that up before I listed your business. If you want to maximize your sale price, your multiple that you get for your business. So your sales history, it really, really matters. Not just for this as well, but also for Amazon as well. Sales history matters.
Hey there, this is Neil Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.